Alright, boys and girls, we are going to do our test review today, and we're going to use Kahoot to do that. Since this is pre-recorded, we are not going to do an actual live game. What you're going to do is you're going to pull out your whiteboard. If you're in class, even if you're at home, you can still have your whiteboard out or a piece of paper, and you're going to write your answer just based on the shape. You can write either triangle, circle, square, or whatever shape they have. You can write your shape on your board and hold it up for me to see. Those of you at home, you can just kind of quiz yourself to see how you do and then let me know. We're going to do this together as a class. So everyone is going to be a part of the Smarty Pants team. And this is based on biographies. So we'll go through each question and we'll discuss it to do our review. Which category is a biography part of? Either triangle for fiction or diamond for nonfiction. Our answer here is nonfiction. Remember, nonfiction means real. A biography is about a real person's life. It is giving us facts and information about that person's life. A biography is triangle, a book written about yourself. Diamond, a book written about someone else. It is a book written about someone else, because an autobiography is written about yourself because the prefix auto means self. Biographies are only written about people who are not alive. True or false? This is false. We have read plenty of biographies about people who are still alive. A biography is written in the first person or third person narrative. Third person. What pronouns would we hear or read if we're looking at a first person narrative? I, me, we, us, because we and us also includes me. What pronouns would we hear if we're reading third person narrative? He, she, them, they. A biography uses... So, to answer this one, primary sources mean it's coming straight from that person. Like you're talking to that person about their life and then you write about their life. Secondary sources means you're using other books and other resources to learn about that person. So our answer here is both. I know you didn't have much time to answer that one. It's okay. So you can use both primary and secondary sources because you can talk to the person about their life and write about it, or you can also read other biographies written about that person, or maybe other videos, other online sources, things like that. Biographies contain text features, true or false. Remember, our text features are things like headings, captions, photographs, titles, bullet points, bolded words, all those good things. That is true. Text features are used to help us better understand our biographies. A biography is usually written in sequence, chronological order, or all of these. All of these. The difference between a sequence and chronological order is a sequence does not follow a specific timeline. So a sequence is putting things in order in which they happen, and so is chronological order, but chronological order has a date. So we can say on January 26th, 1993, Mrs. Sakaria was born. On February 4th, 2002, she was in, I don't even know what grade I was in at that time, but you get the example. It's going off of time. Chronological order is based off a specific time. Bio means, so what does the prefix bio mean? Triangle, world, diamond, life, circle, people, square, famous. Life. The prefix bio means life. Graphy. What does the suffix graphy mean? Math, writing, movie, or famous? Writing. So biography is where you're writing about someone's life. We're all winners here because you guys are all amazing and you did a great job. We are going to move on. We're going to do one more Kahoot, but the next one is going to cover poetry. Great job, Smarty Pants.